Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. Apple releases iOS 18.1 developer beta 5. In this video, I'm going to talk about all the changes that are available with this update. Also, I am going to talk about the release date and what we can expect to see in upcoming weeks regarding 18.1. So these are few topics that I'm going to cover in this video. So make sure to subscribe if you are new here, because I do a lot of testing videos regarding different iOS. I also compare iOS from the older versions and do a lot more stuff. Go and check out my channel and see what type of content I am uploading. I'm sure you're definitely gonna subscribe, so make sure to subscribe. Now let's talk about all the new changes that are available with the iOS 18 developer beta 5. So going with the very first thing is in the control center. Now before that, we used to turn on or off our Wi-Fi, VPN or other stuff by this connectivity options over here that are grouped in this section, but now they are available separately. So what we need to do is tap and hold, add a control while going into the connectivity over here. New options available: Wi-Fi, VPN, personal hotspot, Bluetooth, cellular data, airplane, and these are really cool. I can tap and add them according to my choice. For example, I'm gonna add this one over here. I can also change their size if I want to and make them something look like this, and now they are available separately, which is quite useful. If I turn off the Wi-Fi from here and go into the settings, it is not properly turned off. It just disconnects the Wi-Fi. As you can see, it is turned on. For me, it is a useful feature, but most of the people don't like this. For them, turning off means turning off, but for me it is quite useful, and by just tapping on it again, it connects to the Wi-Fi that it's supposed to connect. For me, it is a really cool feature, and I'm really liking that now they are available separately, which are definitely going to be very useful. Also, when you go to the settings and go to the control center over here, now the reset control center option is available. Finally, a much needed this one. This will reset your control center layout to the factory default. The reason why it was required, because many people sometimes doing testing, adding different pages and stuff, and it is quite hard and takes a lot of time to go back to the default version. But by tapping on this one, you can directly go to the default layout, which is going to be quite handy, and it is going to save your a lot of time. It is quite useful. Also, selfie option is now available for the iPhone 16 camera controls. The new camera controls that are available over here brings the selfie option with this update. That is also quite cool. Now also the dark mode icon is also available for the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Unfortunately, I cannot show you Apple Intelligence and Siri because they are only available for the Pro models, but a dark mode for them is also available. When you go to the accessibility over here, the Face ID and attention has a new icon with a different color. Also, the color of eye tracking is slightly changed, as you can see. So these are one of the minor changes. Going back over here and going into the display and brightness, now the new wallpapers are available over here. Before this there were iOS 17 wallpapers, but now the iOS 18 ones are available over here. So these are some of the minor changes that are available with the iOS 18.1, and it's quite a useful update. For me, the highlighting feature is definitely these new connectivity options that are available in the control center, and I really like this one. Well, other than this, if I talk about that what we can expect to see the iOS 18.1 over here, so 18.1 beta 5 is out on 23rd of September. So I'm expecting to see beta 6 or maybe RC update on 30th of September, and then the final version may be around 14th or 21st of October. That are the expected dates for now, but let's see how things turn around. If there will be any other sort of leaks or rumors, definitely I will talk about that in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe the channel. Now many people are asking me about that, why Apple Intelligence is or new Siri animations are not available on different devices, why they are only available for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro models and the upcoming iPhone 16s. Not upcoming, they are already out, the newer iPhones. Well, it is very simple. You need to understand that the Apple Intelligence is a really big, huge feature, and to run it perfectly, Apple needs to use more memory. So if I show you the memory of iPhone 14 by going to the Geekbench score over here, and as you can see the memory is 6 gigs over here. So to run Apple Intelligence smoothly, perfectly, Apple needs a stronger CPU, also at least 8 gigs of RAM. So 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max brings 8 gigs of RAM, and the new 16 models also brings 8 gigs of RAM. That is the reason that the Apple Intelligence is only available on those iPhones and not available on the other iPhones. What I was expecting that, okay, if Apple Intelligence is not available, that is fine, but at least what Apple can do is they can give the Siri animation to the older iPhones. Now this animation looks quite outdated, as there are new animation in the market available, and that looks really dope, but this is what it is. And if I talk about the 18.1 beta 5 performance, because I'm using it for a while, if I go to the Geekbench score, I'm not sure if I done the testing or not. Over here, this is the 18.1 23 22 on a single core, while 56 55 on a multi-core. I will run one more test to see how the performance is, but for now I haven't run that. But from these scores we can conclude that everything is going really smooth, no issues at all. Since I'm using it from last almost 24 hours, I want to show you a bit of a battery life. It is important to understand that iOS update, whenever a new update comes, it takes couple of days to get stable in terms of battery and performance. So these are not my final words regarding battery and performance. I will talk about battery and performance after testing the iOS 18.1 beta 5 for a couple of days, but I'm just showing you as the first day. As you can see, I used around 60% of my battery according to this graph, and I got 4 hours of screen on time using Instagram, WhatsApp, browser of choice. I am trying this new browser. I know it's not the new browser for me, it's a new browser because I came to know this for almost a couple of weeks ago, and I'm testing it out. And some other applications are over here. Also, some of you were asking me about that this streak, what you are doing with this. I'm trying to maintain my health, I'm trying to hit gym and trying to go for a walk every single day. That is what this streak is all about. And especially I'm trying to journal every day, because it is very important to journal and acknowledge that how your day went and what you think about yourself and how you can improve your life. So this is what journaling is all about. Well, this is all from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, peace out.